All right, welcome back everybody. We're over here at Grandpa's house. We're gonna clean the gutters on his house. I would say his house is 60s, probably 120 plus another 60. So he's probably got 180 foot of gutters on his house, and he's got another probably 240 feet of gutters on the barn. We're gonna try to get all these cleared out. The gutters are full of water. It just rained. It's wet. We don't want to use our hands, so we're going to use the leaf blower to clear those out. I got Peyton, my operator, and she's going to get me up on the roof, and we'll take a closer look. Okay, Peyton, let's go up. Take a better look at these gutters. You take a look here, you can see there's a bunch in here, and it's actually, there's not a lot of space, even for my hand sideways. I can barely get in here, but just under these dry leaves is just a bunch of gunk and gook. So we're gonna try to get in here without making our hands freezing cold and disgusting. But you can see all the way through here. We're gonna take this backpack leaf blower, and I'm just gonna walk across here and blow these things out. This is Dad's leaf blower, the Steel BR 450C. Now I'll tell you two things with this. When you get on the roof, you really don't want to twist your feet back and forth because you'll rip the rocks off these shingles and you'll age your roof faster or prematurely. So, and the other thing is that there is torque on these engines, so it's going to rock you when you start it. You don't feel it when you're on the ground, but on a roof you will, so you got to be careful there. This has got an automatic hand start, so should be a little bit easier. Okay, now I blew this out just to demonstrate that, but really you want to start at the top of the roof and you want to work your way down. The other thing is check the wind. I can feel the wind coming from my back, which means I want to start upwind, so as the leaves blow over, I'm not filling in gutters I just cleaned out. Okay. Yeah, that went pretty well. That probably only took 10 minutes to do that. I did notice on the backside some of the rocks from the shingles were loose, so I did slip a little bit. So I just turned the blower on and hit the roof as I was walking along, and it seemed to really help and give me a lot of traction. So quick and easy, no cut hands, no freezing hands. And we're going to head down to the barn, see if we can do the same thing. Hey, let's drive this thing down to the barn, okay? Peyton, Grandpa's got his big blower and his little blower. So he's going to put the little blower on you and let you try to hit these leaves first. Okay. And we'll see how that works. And then I think what would be best, hon, is if you just reach your arm over the side rail here and you just blow like this, okay? And let me drive, and it should just blow that stuff out of there. Okay. The good thing you got glasses, because I know these 6-inch gutters are going to be full of mud and gunk, and you're going to have to take a shower.
I just took a shower.
job, buddy pants. That's cold up there, isn't it?
No.
It wasn't cold? Just muddy and wet? You nailed it. Well done.
You can do this next year, Peyton.
Yeah. Sounds like you're hired. No, I'll tell you what. What's the punishment going to be for your sisters not doing this and making you do it?
I had a game.
False.
We worked our butts off. Thank you very much.
I don't know, Peyton.
What do you think, Peyton?
Yeah, Peyton.
I don't
What do you
care.
want me to do?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right. Hey, thanks for joining us. If you like this, please like and subscribe.